Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking euro currency futures. Continued strength in the euro, even though the day today ended up virtually unchanged. This is our fifth consecutive week of higher closes for the euro. We've also had 8 of the last 11 weeks higher. We're now up around 2% on the year to date. We're not even done with the month of January. The euro is securely above 122. Looks like about 125 would be a fair price for it getting in toward the middle of the year based on the current account surplus continuing to grow in the EU and the current accounts deficit in the US continuing to fall and go further negative, I should say. We had some Fed speak today, which matters for the euro as the largest pair trade in the currencies is the euro US dollar. And San Francisco Fed President John Williams said he sees no incipient inflation, he sees no wage pressures, and he thinks the Fed should be cautious, although he is saying that of the 3 rate hikes predicted by the US Fed this year, they could do 2, they could do 4, depending how the data comes through. So that's pretty consistent. It's also interesting to note that he is one of the talked about nominees for Fed Vice Chair. He has voted with the chairperson ever since he's been at the Fed. He's a PhD in economy and he is a lifer. So it's important to the euro as to who's in that position and what his views are. John Williams let his views be known about this current economy today. Also, U.S. consumer sentiment out of the University of Michigan came in lower, 94 and change versus an expectation of 97. Again, not directly affecting the euro, but affecting a little bit more weakness in the dollar, keeping that bid under the euro. If you look at a euro chart right now, we've consolidated over the last 5 or 6 days, but still ending on a positive note on the week. Again, up 2% on the year. Looks like we're headed for higher highs with the government shutdown as we reach into next week. This is Bob Iaccino talking euro currency futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.